Hello everyone, Kayla here, and I'm in the middle of twisting my hair. As you can see, I've done pretty much my entire head. I'm getting a lot faster twisting my hair than I was back in the day, but I get a lot of comments and compliments, people asking about how I twist my hair, how I get my twist outs. And so this video is going to be about twist and twist out at the same time, because this is how I get my twist outs from the same twist. I cannot do larger twist. It looks like a blow dry in like a day or two. This just doesn't produce results. So I'm going to actually talk while I'm twisting my hair. Don't worry, I'm not going to twist my hair and not tell you anything, but I also don't want to waste time because I want to run out and do a couple of things today. So first thing, the condition that my hair is in when I twist it, I do not use any stylers or anything like that on my hair. I typically only twist my hair with conditioner. In the past, like when I first started my natural hair journey, I twisted my hair with instant conditioner. So like Tresemme, Aussie, that kind of stuff. And I would just leave it in my hair. And I did that because those things would provide a nice shine, it would provide moisture, and then also my hair would have a little bit of sticky hold. So I quite liked using those products. And I also, well, now I use regular leave-in. So I have Giovanni Direct leave-in on my hair right now, and that's what I'm twisting my hair with. But I do not use gels, I do not use butters to twist my hair. I find that they kind of keep your hair from like puffing up how it needs to when it dries. And then also I don't like the way that they sometimes will leave residue on your hair, and then gels can sometimes make your hair stringy. But if you feel like you would like more hold than a leave-in, so you kind of want the same results that I got from the rinse out without having to put a rinse out in your hair and leave it, then I highly recommend doing a curl cream, because you're gonna still get all the benefits of styling your hair with conditioner, but then they have a slight little bit of hold without being something that'll make your hair more stringy, like a gel. I also do not dry my hair off after I do it, after I apply my leave-in and all that stuff in the shower. I twist my hair up into these buns and then get out of the shower, that's it. Like no towel, no drying, anything like that. I think that that also contributes to the what juiciness that people say that my twists have. So that's it. So if you're worried about, like, if you're wondering about the products that I use on my hair to twist it, you're probably underwhelmed, because it's leave-in conditioner usually. Now, let me get into the actual mechanics of how I twist my hair. I'm going to finish this one twist so that I can start over fresh, because I want to tell you how I part my hair. Alright, so that's done. So here's how I part my hair. I use the top part of my finger to part an inch. If the top part of your finger is not an inch, then part however much that is for you. But for me, that is an inch. I've measured it with a ruler because I'm that crazy. So I go back to the back of the section and I go down. And so now I should have, however, these sections in front, it's super long, so it's hard for me to get that perfect inch. I just put a little bit more water on my hands. This is my last section, and so my hair is dry just a little bit, or starting to dry. Anyhow, so I then go back with the same inch on this section, and I go in like this to get an inch going this way. So this is about how one would probably part box braids. In fact, when I've done yarn braids in the past, this is exactly how I part them. The inch parting is exactly how I part for my wash and goes. Like, my hair is used to being parted into these 1-inch rows because I use them for everything. But when I twist, I'm just putting my hair over. Please don't be like, oh, I don't twist as fast as you do. This has definitely been acquired over years of twisting. But one key thing is that I am not trying to quickly move down the twist. If you want a juicy twist, while it's wet, it's going to be a stringy, super tight twist, and then it's going to dry into a juicy twist. So when I get to the ends, I'm going to twirl the ends. If you have textured hair, it should stay. But I am going to finish the rest of my twist off camera, and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. And then I think I'll do another video in which I take the twist down and show you guys how my twist outs work, because I feel like if you're searching for a twist out, you might not check the video that's about my twist. Just saying. Alright, so my hair is finished. I know that it isn't the super great lighting that I typically have in my videos because I'm in a bathroom with no windows at all, but you know, this is my life. Something wrong with how I'm living. I don't know why. I don't know why. Please. Okay, anyway. But anyway, this is my full head done. Trying to do it towards this way because this is where the lighting is. But this is what my hair looks like. Fully twisted. It is going to shrink when it dries. The conditioner is going to harden slightly when it dries. That's okay. I'm going to wear these twists probably a week. I'm also going to trim my hair because that's the only reason I twist my hair these days. Why else would I spend this much time styling my hair? Because I'm lazy now. And I also air dry these twists. So I'm actually going to go out, hit up Smoothie King, buy some stuff for my science class, boom, and I'm gonna be drying my hair the whole time. And my hair should be nice and dry, but still shiny for work on Monday. And of course, like I said, I'm gonna come back with that video in which I let you guys see me take the twist down and actually do a twist out. I'm thinking maybe a week in the life of a twist out. I'm just feeling it today. You know what? I really hope you watched this whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bathroom, bad lighting, and all that. Throwback style. But anyway, let me get off the camera. Love you guys so much. Thank you for continuing to watch my videos. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.